Hello, guys. Oh, crap, music. The music! It didn't start! No!
The music!
Crell here with Sage on the other end of the line. And I'm playing SCP. Let's do this. What the? Oh, God. I'm terrified. You know what the map sheet is, Sage? Die.
You're dead.
A random map sheet, die. Yeah. So, I made a second part of the first one. Get a small bit of a cold. This will hopefully I'll make it all the way to gate B, I think it is, to get to the end. I don't know.
Which probably means it's not gonna happen, but you never know.
Probably! Because that damned 106.
That thing be scary.
He is! I wonder if he can still walk through walls. I haven't seen him with 1.61 yet.
Yeah.
Oh no, my headphones are falling apart.
Well, that's never good.
Okay, just to let you guys know, my headphones are duct taped together. I am poor.
Yeah,
okay,
true.
music's getting laggy. I gotta turn it off. That was Heart of Courage from 2 Steps from Hell. Look it up. It's an amazing song. An amazing group. And this is taking forever to load. My god. As opposed to your god. Mine desires chocolate.
He's not kidding.
I sacrifice cakes. That's why the cakes are a lie.
Yeah.
Oh, I heard a sound. I heard a sound! Ugh. Oh, there we go. I turned the music down a bit for that intro, but other than that, I didn't change. Oh, wow, it's laggy. 8, 9, 8. Oh, hold on. Save and quit. Oh, Jesus. I'll be right back, folks. Okay, I'm back. This time in a smaller resolution. It'd probably make bigger borders, but it's worth it for the sake of FPS. Running on 1.49 gigabytes of RAM is not very good. I don't get this, SPC. How is he supposed to escape? He is a computer.
Yeah.
He's just gonna hop away. I hear you over there, Sage. Oh, it's starting. Back at the other spot. Oh my god, only 10 FPS. This is slow. Slow. 12. My church is. Oh, not one of these rooms. Gas mask. Let's do this. On second thought, now let's do it. Run! So loud. No! Oh, that was close. I just died, didn't I?
Oh.
Oh, I died! No! Oh, I hate those things. It was the laser. It was the electric fence.
Electric fence.
I did die, so I guess it was foretold. But I have a save, so then I can do it again and again and again. The SPC. Oh, the acronym SCP stands for Special Containment Procedures, and the unofficial motto of the Foundation's Secure, Contain, Protect, which sums up both goals and methods of the Foundation's actions. Action. Hallelujah.
Huh.
I figure I'll call it 3 deaths and it'll be the end of the video. Which I'm going to quickly say, it's going to be a very short video. Whoop whoop. Okay, let's do this again. Oh god! Might I add, that door was already open.
Oh. Okay.
What?
I said okay.
Alright.
Oh!
Hi! How are you doing today, sir? Shut, door, shut! I am boned.
Oh.
I can't get through the door because he's standing right there. No. Go away. Yeah. Taste the blink! Did he go away? No! F it! Ah! I'm done! I'm done! I'm done! Oh my god, I'm done. This has been a quick video. I'm